YouTube, what it is, what it do, it's your boy. And we is back. Well, not back because, you feel me, we was on a new channel today. You feel me? I uploaded a video. Well, I tried to upload a video on this channel at first, and you feel me, the shit did not fucking go right. So I just had to make this video. So y'all see the title and thumbnail. We will be cutting up in traffic, quote unquote, cutting up in traffic in my Striker Daytona Scat Pack. Not really a striker, I ain't gonna lie, just clickbait y'all niggas, but you feel me? Hey, why not watch the video, bro? But in all seriousness, as you can see, I am trying to install a wide body kit. If you want to tune into that, then you feel me? Go to the main channel. Damn. Go to the main channel. It's gonna be linked in the description so y'all can see me putting this bitch on. But for right now, we finna just go to the tire shop because I do need a new tire. As you can see, look at that bit right there. Bro, look at that shit. Holy fuck. So, yeah, we do need a new tire. We need a new headlight because this bitch, that shit should come today. So yeah, we finna just have fun in traffic and you feel me, just have fun. My bumper's not even fully on, so I hope this bitch don't fly off, but it's latched on, so it shouldn't fly off. But you feel me, I'm gonna go ahead and start her up for y'all. So you can see, look at that shit, crazy. We literally, it's basically a fucking striker, my nigga, but y'all look cold start. Woo! Damn, I gotta adjust my seats. Oh shit. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get to telling y'all everything. Look at this shit, bro. This is my first video on the channel, and y'all see my car looking like dog shit. Look at that. Look at all this shit, bro. Clearly riding in a striker. And I got a fucking ski mask on right now. Y'all can't even see that shit. We're gonna put this seat down so my side markers can lay over here. There we go. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all and shit. I already wore the car. I already warmed the car up today, so you feel me? Like, I don't even gotta really do so much. So, you feel me? But hey, y'all. Welcome to the new channel. Let me wipe y'all off, cause shit looking dirty in the sun, beaming. But yeah, y'all, welcome to the channel. For all my new people, I do drive a Daytona Scat Pack. And I know I'm gonna have a lot of people saying, oh, you don't have a Daytona's not a Scat Pack, do this and all this shit. Man, this shit say parking sensors unavailable, rear sensor. Oh shit. I'll fix that later. But yeah, you can see we oh hell no, hold on. Gotta fix this AC and shit, boy. It's too goddamn hot in this bitch. Turn that bitch back on. Hold on, auto. Okay, I don't know what's going on with that. We're gonna have to fix that, but yeah, everything looked pretty straight. But we about to ride to the tire shop, my nigga. Cause I don't know what's going on with my parking sensor. I don't know. We're gonna have to fix that, cause we want our parking sensors to work, nigga. Damn, I ain't drove my car in so long. I feel weird, nigga. Ain't gonna lie, I hope, oh my God, my damn, what's the name? My shit might scrape. Oh, my shit's scraping. I can't even cut up for real, cause my little fender liner shits, them shit's scraping. Fuck it though, man. About to still make it do what it do. Oh yeah, I'm scraping. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Hold on, let me. Cause I got the phone in a weird position, so you feel me? I gotta goddamn. I forgot how to work this, but I ain't drove this car so goddamn long. But yeah, y'all. Welcome to the channel. I'm sorry the first video gotta be a video of me driving a little piece of shit right now, but you feel me? We're gonna make it do what it do. Like I said, this is a new channel, so you feel me? Everything on this channel is gonna be strictly like POVs and shit like that. POVs, little mini car content and shit for y'all boys. So yeah, hope y'all just enjoy me. Just spam videos on this channel, and if y'all like them, you feel me? Just let me know, and I'll keep these motherfuckers coming. But yeah, I love making videos like this, and on my main channel, them bitches be booming, bro. So I decided to go ahead and make a separate channel for content like this. And since videos like this, I really don't even gotta edit like that, bro. I could just get up, drive, and you feel me, like go on by my goddamn day. But yeah, we are in a striker cat. Look at this shit, bro. Parking sensors not fucking working and shit. Damn. What the fuck when you in the trench? Hell yeah though, my niggas. How y'all doing, you feel me? All my new people. Let me know what kind of cars y'all got, and let me know your favorite car. Like, what is your favorite car? You like muscle cars? You like goddamn sports cars? You like foreigns? And what type of car do you have? Like, let me know, nigga. Let me know what type of cars y'all niggas got in the motherfucking comments. We don't discriminate cars around here. We don't give a fuck if you got a Toyota Camry, nigga. You got a goddamn, we don't give a damn what you got, nigga. You got 4 wheels, nigga. That's all that matter. That's all that motherfucking matter. Don't put my seatbelt on too, because I know a lot of niggas be tripping over that seatbelt shit. So I'm gonna be goddamn put my damn seatbelt on. Man, this a fucking striker, nigga. Fuck a seatbelt, nigga. Fuck that shit, nigga. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And my car does pop and burble too. Y'all probably can hear it. But I'm gonna try not to go too crazy, bro, because all my parts is like not really on right. So like I said, this is just a test right now. So I could end up breaking my fucking car trying to make a fucking video. So I hope I don't break my fucking car. What the fuck? You can't park there, bitch! You can't park there! I hope y'all not watching this video at night on your TV, cause I be loud as fuck, my nigga. I know I'm waking your mama up and shit. She probably wondering who the fuck in your room making all that goddamn noise. My bad, mama. You feel me? Just gotta bring the energy, you feel me? Just gotta bring the energy and the vibes. Cause who wants a boring POV? I ain't gonna lie, bro. I hear all types of rattles, my nigga. Oh my god, my car's a striker. My car's a fucking striker, bro. What the fuck? And my back tire, that bit bald as fuck. I'm over here cutting up with a bald ass tire. Go, nigga. My car went from the baddest bitch on the block to a trenched out monkey thought hoe. What the fuck? I got a monkey thought hoe car now. Oh shit. Day in the life of a striker. Day in the life of having a striker, nigga. Oh shit. Oh shit. Bruh, like I got tools all over the ground. Shit here. Shit here. I do got LEDs too, but I ain't gonna turn them motherfuckers on. Y'all gonna get that in some other videos, you feel me? Right now, we just need to get to this tire shop before our tire blow up. Oh shit, I just scraped. Oh shit. Cause bro, I cannot lose my bumper. If I lose this bumper, bro, I'm a... Ooh. And I don't have bumper brackets. Them shits come today, so when them motherfuckers come, nigga, putting them bitches on immediately. Putting this bumper on immediately. And my SRT badge. So I can lead drive my damn car. And I'm in the middle of editing videos, and I got a whole lot going on, y'all. just to let y'all know. Well, some of y'all might be new, so. But if you is new, my name is Josh. I have a 2009 Accord Coupe and a 2020 Daytona Scat Pack, slim body, but I'm transforming to a wide body now. And I do plan on getting the wrap and all that. So yeah, that's why it's called PSY Fleet. And PSY, if you know, you know, and that's why it's called Fleet. Because I know a lot of niggas be like, how you gonna call it a fleet and you only got fucking this amount of cars? Like, bro, hop off dick. But yeah, y'all let me know, like, do y'all think the car scene is dying? Y'all let me know. A lot of people been saying the car scene is like dying. I don't be going to a lot of like, oh shit. Like, if you go on my main channel, bro, I don't go to a whole lot of meets anymore. Oh shit, they go 12. Oh shit. Oh shit. I thought I was about to get pulled over, bro, because I know I'm driving in some janky shit. But yeah, y'all let me know. Oh, I'm scraping. Let me know, do y'all think the car scene is dying right now, bro? Like, genuinely? All right, let me calm down, bro, because I do not got time to... My shit is scraping. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Hold on, y'all. We got to pull over. Strike her down. Strike her down. Strike her down. Strike her down. We got to check this bitch out. Oh, shit. Damn, look at that fucking BMW. What kind of BMW is that? Oh, shit. Y'all see that? Y'all see it? Yeah, y'all can't really see it. I just want to check my bumper out. Oh, shit. Do we still attached? Okay, we still in. We good. Hold on. Okay, we still up there. My bad, y'all just don't want to lose my fucking bumper. I'm tripping. Ugh. But we was just scraping too damn much right then. My Parker sensor's tripping. I gotta see what's going on with that shit. After I just bolted up my damn, what's the name? Shit's crazy. But yeah, going back into the topic, do y'all think the car scene dying, bro? Cause a lot of car people I be talking to, they be like, bro, oh no, bro, I feel like the car scene dying, this. Which I don't really care, cause I make my own content anyway. I don't base my content around like specifically cars all the time, bro. Like, I love my car. Like, if you watch my main channel, I do everything kind of solo. Dolo, I'll be with my little group and we just have fun with cars. Like, that's all we do. I'm not in tune with the whole car community. Like, I don't really care about none of that. I don't care about the car community or this and that. Not saying I don't care about the car community, but I don't care about it being dead or alive, or because at the end of the day, I'm gonna do me. So, you feel me? Like, I don't really fucking care. I'm supposed to be in that lane right there, and okay, you know what? Fuck it, we just gonna keep driving. Yeah, but I don't really care about none of that shit, bro. As long as my car work, and I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing installs and chilling, doing me, nigga. Like, that's literally it. Chilling, doing my thing, dizzle. Whew. But yeah, man. Hopefully y'all niggas have an amazing day. Hopefully y'all day going good, whatever day you watching this shit on. I'm gonna try to post this shit immediately, so this might be same day. So I'm gonna give me a thumbnail and do all this shit. And yeah. Cause the last one, I was supposed to been uploaded, but that shit never fucking uploaded. So this one is getting uploaded on the spot. And we're not bullshitting. And I thought I knew my way to the tire shop, but I guess I fucking don't. I guess I'm just a illiterate dumbass. I could have sworn it was fucking that way. I should just went to fucking waited under. God damn it. Well, more driving content for y'all niggas. Oh shit, I got a Taco Bell. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, green. Alright, YouTube, we are back. Damn storage fucked up. And that's the main reason why, bro, this shit be just, like, irritating as fuck. Because, like, the whole storage shit. Mind you, I fucking buy storage, bro, so. Okay, and look at this shit. Well, would you look at this shit right here? Guess I'm gonna go through here. I guess, okay. Okay, we're just gonna drive through this shit. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna drive through this shit. My bad, y'all. I'm just trying not to hit a fucking traffic cone. That's why the camera angled down. Let's try not to hit a fucking traffic cone. Okay, and we did it. Let's go. It's a me. I hope you didn't click off the video. If you still watching, comment PSY. You feel me? PSY be the motherfucking gang and shit, you know what I'm saying? You know what the fuck going on. But yeah, man. 2026, what y'all 2026 goals? Like, what y'all want to get done for 2026? Y'all let me know. What's some goals y'all want to get done? And, you feel me? Some achievements you want to achieve. Like, you want to get that Hellcat this year? You want to get that Scat Pack this year? Like, what you want to do, guys? Y'all let me know y'all dreams, man, because I overly support niggas, man. Love to see people win, achieving goals, getting what they want. Even if I don't know you, nigga. Even if I don't know you. Little downshift. Ooh. Ooh. Pulling up right to Flacco's, nigga. Right to Flacco's, bitch. For those that don't know, you stay in my area, nigga. Flacco Tires is the best place to get your fucking tires, nigga. Come to Flacco's, nigga. But hell yeah, I'm about to get this tire shit situated, and then you feel me, I'm gonna hit y'all niggas when, okay. Oh, hey, hold on, they telling me to come up. Yeah, they would, can they scoot up, please? Hold on, y'all. Ooh, I don't wanna smack shit. There you go. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna hit y'all when we get the car situated and shit. So let go. All right, y'all. I guess because it's cold, niggas ain't getting out their car. So I don't know if it's a new policy or something, but you feel me? They back there. They changing that bitch on the striker. Well, not a somewhat of a striker, but yeah, they changing that bit right now. I wish I could get out and show y'all, but we finna put a 315 30 20, I think. I don't know. But yeah, I like to get used tires in the back because, you feel me? Look at that bit. Ugh, look at that bit. That bit trash. Look at that bit right there. Shit. But yeah, I like to put used tires in the back because I'm gonna burn them anyway. So it's just like, what's the point? But yeah. Oh yeah, we not gonna run this bitch either. We're gonna turn this bitch off. We're gonna turn that motherfucker off. But hell yeah, though. I ain't gonna lie, I might end the video right here. Like, this is a little chill, first little video POV. Let me know how y'all want me to keep along the POVs. This video do decently good. I know it was last minute, and it's just so random, but you feel me? I hope y'all kind of enjoyed this. But yeah, I'm gonna get this video edited, probably try to get it uploaded today. I'm gonna catch y'all niggas. PSYP. 60? Mm-hmm. All right. Yeah, we can do that. Man, they talking about 60. What the fuck? But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna catch y'all niggas another time. Cycle be the gang. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna catch y'all niggas. Lay y'all. Let go.